Are you stuck in a rut with your current diet and searching for a healthier alternative? Look no further, as quinoa may be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we will explore the top 7 benefits of eating quinoa versus rice, with detailed explanations on why quinoa is the superior choice. Plus, we have a bonus tip that you won't want to miss. So get ready to transform your meals and unlock the power of this incredible superfood. 1. A complete protein source. Did you know that quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods considered a complete protein? While rice offers a decent amount of protein, it falls short in providing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Quinoa, on the other hand, contains all of these amino acids, making it an excellent protein source for vegans, vegetarians, and anyone looking to add more plant-based proteins to their diet. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of protein, helping you stay fuller for longer and support muscle growth. 2. Rich in fiber for better digestion. Quinoa outshines rice when it comes to fiber content, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 5 grams of fiber, nearly twice the amount found in the same serving of rice. By consuming quinoa regularly, you can help prevent constipation, promote regular bowel movements, and even reduce the risk of developing certain gastrointestinal diseases. So, if you're looking for a way to keep your digestive system in tip-top shape, quinoa is the answer. 3. A gluten-free alternative. For those with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or those looking to reduce their gluten intake, quinoa is an ideal alternative to rice. While rice is already gluten-free, it can often be processed in facilities that also handle gluten-containing grains, leading to potential cross-contamination. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free and less likely to be cross-contaminated, making it a safer choice for those with gluten concerns. Plus, its versatility allows you to use it in place of rice in many recipes, without sacrificing taste or texture. 4. Packed with essential minerals, quinoa is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive array of essential minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and zinc. These minerals play vital roles in supporting various bodily functions, such as nerve function, muscle contractions, and immune system health. In comparison, rice contains fewer minerals and often has its nutrient-rich outer layer removed during processing. By switching to quinoa, you're providing your body with the necessary minerals to maintain optimal health and well-being. 5. Lower in calories and glycemic index. If you're watching your calorie intake or trying to manage your blood sugar levels, quinoa is the better choice over rice. Quinoa has fewer calories per serving compared to rice and boasts a lower glycemic index, GI, meaning it won't cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. The lower GI of quinoa helps prevent energy crashes and keeps you feeling fuller for longer, making it an excellent choice for those looking to lose or maintain their weight. 6. Supports heart health. Quinoa's high fiber content, along with its abundance of heart-healthy nutrients like magnesium and potassium, makes it an excellent choice for supporting cardiovascular health. These nutrients work together to help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries. In contrast, white rice has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease due to its refined nature and lower nutrient content. By choosing quinoa over rice, you're taking a step towards better heart health. 7. Environmentally sustainable. If you're concerned about the environmental impact of your food choices, quinoa offers a more sustainable option compared to rice. Rice cultivation requires a significant amount of water and can contribute to methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas. Quinoa, on the other hand, is a hardy plant that can grow in a variety of climates with minimal water requirements. By choosing quinoa over rice, you're not only improving your health, but also making a positive impact on the environment. 8. Versatile and easy to cook. As a bonus, quinoa is incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. With its mild, nutty flavor, quinoa can be used in a wide range of dishes, from salads and stir-fries to breakfast porridge and baked goods. Cooking quinoa is as simple as boiling it in water, and it takes only 15 to 20 minutes to become tender and fluffy. This makes it an ideal choice for busy individuals looking to prepare healthy, nutritious meals in a flash. Potential drawbacks. While quinoa offers numerous health benefits, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Some people may experience digestive discomfort or bloating due to the high fiber content, especially if they're not used to consuming high-fiber foods. Additionally, quinoa contains naturally occurring compounds called saponins, which can give it a bitter taste if not properly rinsed before cooking. Be sure to rinse your quinoa thoroughly before cooking to remove any residual saponins and ensure the best taste. There you have it, 7 incredible benefits of eating quinoa over rice, plus a bonus tip that highlights its versatility and ease of cooking. By incorporating quinoa into your daily diet, you can enjoy a delicious, nutrient-packed alternative to rice that supports your overall health and well-being. So, why not give quinoa a try and experience the benefits for yourself? We'd love to hear your thoughts on quinoa and how you like to use it in your meals. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and nutrition advice. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.